In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file and link it to a button or text block. If you want visitors to be able to click a button or a piece of text and open or download a file, this process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, go to the part of your page where you want to add the file link. You can do this with either a text block or a button block. If you're working with text, highlight the exact words you want people to click. If you're working with a button, simply open the button settings or select the button so you can edit it. Once that element is active, click the link icon. This is where you'll tell the platform what should happen when someone clicks. After the link settings open, look for the gear icon next to the URL field. This icon gives you more linking options beyond just pasting a web address. Click that gear icon to open the full link panel. In the side menu, choose the file option. This tells the editor that instead of linking to another page or website, you want to attach a file. Once you select file, click upload file. This will open your device's file browser so you can locate the document, image, PDF, or other file you want to use. Choose the correct file from your computer and wait for it to finish uploading. It's important to make sure the upload completes properly before moving on. You should see a checkmark appear next to the file once it has been successfully selected. That checkmark confirms that the system recognizes the file and that it's ready to be linked. Once you see that confirmation, click Save. This final step applies the file link to your selected text or button. After saving, it's a good idea to test the link yourself. Click the text or button in preview mode or after publishing if needed and confirm that the correct file opens. This helps you catch mistakes like selecting the wrong file or forgetting to save the change. That's all it takes. Highlight your text or edit your button, click the link icon, open the gear icon, select File, upload your file, confirm the checkmark, and save. With those few steps, your visitors will be able to access the file directly from your page.